the Forest of Endor log roll cake. May the 4th be with you.
This recipe is from Star Wars Galactic Baking. Preheat the oven to 375 and take 1/3 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Then take 4 room temperature eggs and separate the yolks and whites. Beat the 4 yolks with half a teaspoon of vanilla. After 5 minutes, gradually beat in 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. In another bowl, beat your 4 egg whites until soft peaks form. Then gradually beat in half a cup of granulated sugar until stiff peaks form. Fold the egg yolk mixture into the egg white mixture. Then add the flour mixture and fold that in. Spread the mixture into a greased parchment-lined jelly roll pan. Bake for 15 minutes. For the filling, start with 4 ounces of cream cheese, whip it, add 3 tablespoons granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of fine matcha powder. Fold in an 8-ounce container of whipped topping. And refrigerate. Dust a clean kitchen towel with a little bit of powdered sugar and a little bit of cocoa. Turn out your cake onto it, peel the parchment off, then slowly roll your cake. You're going to cool it on a wire rack. While the cake is cooling, we're going to make meringue mushrooms. Start with 2 egg whites and 1/8 teaspoon cream of tartar. Mix until soft peaks form. Then gradually beat in half a cup of granulated sugar until stiff peaks form. Put the meringue in a piping bag and make 12 mushroom caps and 12 mushroom stems. Use a damp finger to tap down the caps. You're going to bake these at 250 for about 40 minutes until they get dry. For the ferns, we're going to melt some candy melts, put them in a piping bag, and make some fun shapes. Chill them until you're ready to use. Once the mushrooms are dry and cool, we're going to melt some chocolate, poke a little hole in the cap, and attach the stem using some of the melted chocolate. Once these set, you can dust them with cocoa to make them more lifelike. Once the cake is cool, you're going to unroll it and spread the filling on. Then you're going to roll it back up. Cut off a 1/2 inch of each end for garnish. Add your mushrooms, and then add your ferns.
And that's how you make